The Ligency Smart Landscape Lights offer seamless integration with both Alexa and Google Assistant, allowing for effortless voice control over your outdoor lighting. With vibrant RGBW color options and music synchronization, these lights transform any yard into a dynamic, colorful display perfect for parties or holiday celebrations. These landscape lights come equipped with automated scheduling and memory functions, ensuring your lighting preferences are maintained even after power outages. Designed with a professional low-voltage system, these lights are safe for DIY installation and provide energy-efficient illumination without incurring high energy costs. Constructed with a robust IP65 weatherproof design, the Ligency spotlights are built to withstand harsh weather conditions like heavy rain, snow, and extreme temperatures. The easy installation process requires no professional help, as the plug-and-play kit includes ground stakes and wall mounts for versatile placement options.